Now, yesterday we discussed about package, class, object, reference variable, those things we done. Now, generally class means collection of variables and methods. For example, if you can take a class, student you can consider. In this class, I can declare variables. Variables means student have number, student have name, student have address, student have mobile number. Those are called as variables. Same like that, class contains some methods. Methods means student some contain some method, marks, student marks, student info. I want to display student information. So like that, variables and methods are nothing but within the class we can declare. Now, my document is variables. Java is a object-oriented programming language. It has multiple data types like integer, float, string, boolean, different types of available. Now, my requirement is how many types of variables are there? How many types of variables? Here in Java and Python also, yes, 3 types of variables are available. There are 3 types of variables. Instance variables, static variables, local variables. Sir, what is instance, what is static, what is the local? Observe, I will give examples. Here, instance variable is nothing but generally suppose a student class means student contain student number, student name, and their college name. So what are the variables are there? Generally student means every student have student number, student have student name, student have college name. I can take one college data. 3 variables are there. Student number means integer, name means string, college name means string. These 3 variables are there. Here 3 categories are there. So which variable can I take instance? Which variable can I declare static? Which variable can I take local? How can we decide it? Yes. How to decide it? Static, instance, and local. Now, observe carefully. So how can we decide it? Instance and type in the chat panel if you have any doubt. Jagruti, You can type in the chat panel. Okay, now once GoToMeet is coming, automatically it will be unmuted. Jagruti. If you need out, you can type. I will explain. Because if unmuted means my mic is not working, voice very low coming. That's why. Jagruti. So now see, sir, when can I, sir, if the value of the variable is same for every object, very good, nice, nice, nice. Correct, Jagruti. So now what I was telling is, suppose student is a class. Yesterday we discussed. Okay, Shubhankar. Now see, observe carefully, I will explain. Sir, suppose here, if it changes every object, it should be instance. Very nice, correct. Yes, Jagruti, correct only. Sir, see, class means yesterday we discussed. It's a plan or a design or blueprint. Based on class, I can create a number of objects. Okay. Student is one class. Tomorrow I can create a different objects. Student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4, so on. Suppose whenever I'm creating S1, S2, S3, S4, student 4. Now see, every student have number and name compulsory. Yes or no? Yes. Student number, student name. Here also student number, student name. But suppose my first student number is 100. I am given 100. Name as a Sunny. See, the second student number will be changes or not? Yes. The student will be Bunny. The student will be changed. Yes. 1 or 2. Chinny. Next student Winnie. So here, every time for every object, student number name will be changes. That type of variable I can declare as an instance variable. Object to object, S1 number name changes, S2 number, student 3, student 4, number name changes. So the value of the variable different from object to object. Such a type of variables are called as instance or object level variables. For every object, separate copy will be created. Yes. Once object created, instance variable. Another object, separate variable. Another object, separated. So every object number name will be changes. Such type of variable is called as instance variables. Suppose every student belonging to one organization, then it is called as a static. Suppose all are belonging to the durgasoft. This is college name. So student 1 belongs to so and so, student 2, 3, 4, 5, everyone. So college name becomes static. Example, suppose it is offline class. Offline class means I can take a variable chair. Chair is an instance variable or static variable. Instance. Because in the classroom, every student have separate chair. That's why it is called as an instance variable. Book. Every student have separate book. Every student have separate pen. So that is called instance variables. Because every student having the separate copies. That's why they are all called as instance variables. Suppose in the classroom, projector. class board trainer. So here every student have separate things. That's why these are called as instance. Here projector, class board, trainer. Only one to all students, even 100 students, all are sharing one copy only. That's why it is called as a static variable. That is the instance and static. So instance means the value of variable changes from object to object. Such a type of variable is called as instance variable or object level variables. Instance variables we can declare within the class. For every object, separate copy will be created. Such a type of variable are called as instance. Now see here. No. Now see here. If the value of the variable different from the object to object, such a type of variables are called as instance or object level variables. That's why here we can call instance level, all else object level variables. Next, see here three variables I'm telling. Number, name. Every student number name changes, so I can declare as an instance. Instance variables can be declared within the class. So for every object, a separate copy of instance variables will be that is called as instance variable. So instance means simple object to object, the value of the variable will be changes. That is called as instance variable. So example I am giving just now, student number, student name. For every object, number name will be changes. College name will be same for every student. So then I can go for static variables. What is static variable? Here only one copy will be shared. That's what is called as a class level variables. Static. If the value of the variable is not varied from object to object, then it is not recommended to declare that variable as a instance variable. Yes, because for all students belong to only one college. Suppose within the classroom, you can take board. Only one board will be shared with all students. Only one projector. So only one copy they can share it, then I can go to the static. We can declare those variables at class level with static modifier. That's why these are called as a class level also. Class level or static variables. In this situation, only one copy of the static variable will be declared, and that copy will be shared all objects of the class. That is static variable. So last third category, local variables, means for temporary usage within the method if we declare any variable. Method level variables. Method. Present we don't have method. That's you don't bother about that. Later on I will tell method. Today itself we will discuss. Sometimes to meet the temporary requirements, we can declare a variable inside the method. What is a method? We will see. What is a constructor? Those are called as local variables. So based on your requirement, you can declare variables as these three types of instance, static, local. Instance means theoretically I'm telling just now, based on variable type, the value of the variable changes, object, then I can go for instance. Never changes static, local. So now I will give an example. Go to the Eclipse. Okay. Go to the Eclipse. Sir, everyday configuration is not required. Yesterday we completed na 12th May 5 p.m. Just to select that, open it. Everyday not required. Okay. Yes, no, see. First, I want to declare a class. Okay. Observe it. Right click on page. Go to new, click on a class. Class name is student. Click on finish. Sure. See here, a class with the name student is there, main method is there, package core Java, as we already discussed. Now, I want to declare variable, college name. College name means it is a string. What is the modifier? Static string college name. College name. College name I can declare. No. I want to declare student number. Student number. String student name. So here college name I am declaring with the help of static modifier. So it is a static variable class level. So every student college name is durgasoft only. Student number is integer, student name is string. Those two are instance. There is no keyword. Okay, we can declare normally. So how can we initialize these values, number and name? How can we initialize? So here a small concept is there, constructor concept. Actually, constructor and method, some concept is there. I will wait sometime. Present in the situation, constructor. Sir, constructor main purpose is to perform initialization of objects. To initialize okay, you will see the recording. Okay, please wait. Once the flow completed, then I will tell. The constructor means to initialization of the objects will be done here. The main purpose of constructor is to perform initialization of objects. So main thing here, what is constructor, how to declare constructor, what is a method, and what is the differences between method and constructor. Those things we will see one by one. Okay, now yes. Now see here. Sir, when constructor will be executed? When we are creating an object, automatically constructor will be executed to perform initialization. So the main purpose of constructor is to perform initializing object, because tomorrow I'm creating object, those will be initialized, the values will be provided. So what is the difference between constructor and what is method? Method construction means both are a block only, but the differences I will tell to you. Differences I will tell. Okay, now see, within the program, sir, what is the constructor name? Constructor name should be class name only. But the first thing. So how many instance variables are there? 2 instance variables are available. 2. Those things, what about those are you can give? integer s number, string s name. Yes, these two are just variables only. S number, s name are the just variables. Sir, inside how to initialize means this is the keyword in the Java. What is that? This. In Python, how self is there? This is the keyword in the Java to initialize variables. Yes, okay. So number name, how can initialize means this. This is the keyword in the Java. What is this? How it is working? I will tell with example. This is a keyword which is pointing to our current class object. This dot SNO equal to SNO. Observe what it is means. This is a keyword which is pointing to our current class object. Our current class object. Yes. So always every time object will be changed in S1, S2, S3, S4 like that. See, first I will write the program, then step by step I will explain. See, this dot SNA equal to SNA. This is always pointing to current class object. Always pointing to current class object. Now see, sir, when construct will be executed at the time of creation of object. At the time of creation of object, constructor will be executed. Okay, so now how it is executing, observe carefully. How it is executing means, one second. Sure. So whenever object, yesterday class we discussed how to create object. So at the time of object creation, how to get object as we discussed. What is the class name? Student is the class name. So new is the keyword. New is the keyword to create an object. To create an object. Then now my requirement is so how can I create object? As we discussed now. New is the keyword, the class name student. See what it is asking, number and the name. Number is integer, name is the string. Suppose I am given 100. The name should be Sunny. Object is created. First object will be created. Yes. Now give S1. Sir, what is the type of S1? Yes, what is the type of S1? Class name, yesterday we discussed. Have you remembered? So in this one, new student is an object. The reference variable is S1, and the number name. Observe how it is working. Observe carefully. I will give one diagram. Okay, now here observe it carefully. Sir, whenever I can run the program, here this new student means main method. One object will be created. This object is pointing to S1 and internally this also. This always point in current class object. Current what is the object? S1. This and S1 pointing to object. How many values I am passing to? So 100 will be goes to the S number. Sunny will be goes to the S name. Okay, done. Sir, whenever object created, constructor will be executed and it will goes to constructor. This dot S number, nothing but S number. What is S number? 100. So here one variable will be initialized. S number equal to 100. This dot S name. This is pointing to always current class. S name. So S name equal to Sunny. Like that, values are initializing. So what is just one reference variable? As we have discussed. This is a keyword in the Java always which is pointing to your current class. Suppose tomorrow I am creating another object. Observe student test2 equal to new student of 101 comma. So what is happening here? So here now S2 is pointing to your current class. Now this is pointing to current class object. 2 and this. Now again, whenever object created, constructor will be executed here. Now this time S number will be 101 bunny. This dot S number. So S number equal to 101. S name equal to bunny. So like that, n number of objects you can create. Every time current class object will be pointing to this. Always will be. Now see, observe. See here, just new control space. It is coming to arguments. 101. Student name is the string. String name is double quotes. Give reference variable. Student. New student. 102. S3. Type. All are initialized. But see, college name starting I'm given for every student same. If you want to display the data, system.out.println S1 dot S number, system.out.println S1 dot S name, system.out.println S1 dot C name. Now see. So first student number, name, organization name. Suppose I want to display second student. See, S2, S2, S2. See, second student number name changes, but college name never changes. That's why I can make it as a Static. Number name and changes, but college name never changes. Now see, if I want to go to the third one, now run it. 100, 101, 102. Sunny, Bunny, yes. Number name changes every time. How they are initialized for every time at the time of creation of object. When object created, this is object creation. This is object creation. When an object created, every time construct executed. Instance variable initialized. So in this example, sir, double slash means commenting. It is a static variable. Number name are called as instance. Instance variable. That is the story of static, instance, and local. Local variable means we should have knowledge on the method. What is a method? How many types of methods are there? Then you will get knowledge on the local variable story. Now clear everyone? Types of variables. Because future, if you want to, because in the class compulsory variables are there, methods are there. So different variables I'm declaring. Can I go for static instance? Simple thing, instance means for every object the value of variable changes. That's why object level. For every object that value will be changes. So that's why it is object level. But static means it never changes object to object. The value variable will be constant for every object. That is called a static. Local means within the method. Any doubt up to here? Alekya, Shubhankar, Sonia, Ramya, Jagruti, Subhashini. Program. Yeah, see the program, Subhashini. This is the class. Variables, constructor, main method. Any doubt? See, all details not required to print. Pravina, we joined at the end of the session. What I want to explain. See, this is the class. Yeah, I will come. Wait. The story not completed. See, 1 second. Full detail. 1 second. Full detail I will explain. Here one concept is there. Difference between and the method. Wait, who are asking Sonia? Because tomorrow I will explain first of all method. What is a method? How many types of method? How to declare? Then again we will see about constructor and method. Because interview room, the differences between method and constructor is very important thing. Okay, na? Again I will explain. Wait, constructor and method. So next level talk interview room and real time. This is the difference between constructor. Present, I have only little bit idea. This is a constructor. So what is the purpose of constructor? This is the purpose. See, the main purpose of constructor is to initialize the objects. And whenever object created, automatically constructor will be executed to perform initialization. Okay, that is, so main thing is, no. First I want to go to what is a method. What is a method? How many types of methods are there in the Java? Generally Python 3 types of methods are there. Yes, instance methods, abstract methods, static methods, different types of methods are. But here only 2 types of methods, static and non-static. Okay, so tomorrow I will tell first what is method, types of methods, how to declare method. Then I will give full clarity about constructor and the method differences. Very important in the interview room and everything. The same types of variables in the Python also. In the Python also same category. Instance variable, static variable, local variable. See, Java completely taken from Python only. So whatever concept is there in Python, everything is copied from there into here. Praveen, are you joined late? End of the session you joined, Praveen. Yeah, okay. Tomorrow 5 o'clock you can join, Praveen. Okay, today recording we will share to you. Then you can go through the recording. Okay. Yeah. So today you will get the recording. Just go through that one, Praveen. Yesterday just the introduction part only. Today I am telling core Java basics, types of variables, simple story. Selenium not started. Maximum tomorrow, day after tomorrow also same concept. Monday onwards, Selenium programs will be started. Okay. Okay, now bye everyone. Yeah, sure. Tomorrow we will continue. Bye.